Hi friends, it looks like I'm having a bad luck with my recordings. My two of my unboxing videos didn't get saved, and I'm really sorry, feeling bad about this because this was one of the one that didn't get saved was the unboxing of the big book box. You know how much I love my book subscription, and I think the big book box is one of the best that is there in the market right now. I went for the bigger ones because they were having a giving away a Funko Pop of, I don't tell it, I will show it to you, but and most importantly they were having a discount. So I think I paid around 1500 or 1600 for this box, which was much about 200 rupees less than its actual value. Interested to know what I got in this box? Keep on watching. This month's big book box was the Funko Pop they are giving this month, and it is a yes, Wonder Woman. As I wrote in my post yesterday in Instagram, I loved Wonder Woman in Justice League, and I loved her in that single movie also. I think that was the best super hero movie made in this year, and which is why DC Comics tops Marvel Comics, because in Marvel Comics you don't see a very good woman superhero. Anyway, so let's show you the Funko Pop. Okay, so it comes in a pack like this, and this is how it looks. You can kind of move this head, and this sword is so cute. I feel like totally geeking out. So this is priced about 1000 rupees. I've seen around 1000 rupees in Amazon, because they don't tell you the prices in the book box, but I kind of try to find out the prices to see how much I have, like whether I have paid for what I'm getting or I'm getting more, and I have seen that I'm getting much more than what I paid for. So this is the first thing I got in the box. Second, and another like geeking out moment was this beautiful handwritten, I mean like a photocopy of a handwritten letter from Ruskin Bond. There was no guarantee it could be there, because there was like some of it there, and so I'm very lucky that I got one. It has his phone number, by the way. I don't know if I don't think it will be a wrong phone number anyway. So it has the lender, his address. I want to go to London just to visit him. And it says, to the big book box reader, dear friends, it's good to know that my book Looking for the Rainbow has been chosen as your book of the month. I do hope you enjoy it. It is a story of 2 years I spent with my father when I was a small boy in New Delhi a long time ago. Wonderful time, but sadly too short. I wanted this little book to be a tribute to my father, who taught me so many things, especially how to read and write. It's heartening to know that there are so many book lovers around, far more than when I started out as a writer. Some of you may be writers too. Whether your professions or ambitions, I take the opportunity to wish you success and happiness in the coming year. Happy reading. Good luck to you all. Sincerely, Ruskin Bond. I have to somehow kind of frame it and keep it, because otherwise it's going to tear, because it's just a simple A4 paper printout. So the Ruskin Bond thing that was there in the box is this book. I first thought it was a book, but actually it is a notebook with beautiful illustration by this Alwat Gunjan, and with little quotes from his book, like my rubber plant, the only plant that has flourished in this room, and with spaces to write your thought. It also has a photocopy of a letter Ruskin Bond got, and then there are like spaces to write notes in the back, and it also has a marker like this. So this is a beautiful notebook. It is from Penguin India, and it is priced at 400 rupees. and I love the smell of new books. Like, do you used to do it like when you get new books every year? The first thing I used to do is like smell the books. I love that smell of the new book. Anyway, so keep it aside. The next book that was there is this one. Again, it is one of those paperbacks that have a special cover, and this book is Turtles All the Way Down by John Green. If you are not heard the name of the writer, he is the writer of the movie The Fault in Our Star, the very hit movie. I haven't seen it, but I like the storyline, and because I haven't seen it, because I can't stand such emotional stories, I can't watch. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to reading it. The price of it is 600. Penguin Random House book, UK book. So you can see 600 plus 1000. I kind of got what I paid for. Now for the tidbits. I have already kind of used one of the tidbits. There was a sachet of coffee beans, very fragrant coffee beans, and the moment my husband smelled it, he said, make it, because he's a coffee fanatic, and he said after tasting it, like the coffee was fantastic actually. Tasting it, he said they are 100% Arabica and roasted really well. So thank you Big Book Box for sending such a beautiful coffee. Then there, as usual, there are 3 batches this time. All of them celebrates the reader. They're very cute, as you can see. Yeah, so cute. And there was one bookmark this time, and looks something like this. This is a line from that book they gave, the Turtles All the Way Down. By the way, I finished the book that I got in my other Big Book Box. It was very good. It was very, you can say, a mixture of fact and fiction, and reading it one time you will like get confused, like, is it a fiction? Is it really happened? All I can say is that try to read that book. It's a really good book, and I'll be kind of linking my link of that unboxing to know the name of the book. It's by Michael Crichton, same author of the Jurassic Park books. Anyway, so I love that book. I kind of took it to my holiday. I didn't want to kind of bring it back because it's okay for one read and you don't have to kind of go back and read it again. So I kind of left it in Tioman, the hotel. They have this section where people can donate, so I kind of donate books to read for other visitors. So I kind of donated the book there. I have too many books already in my house and no space to keep them. So continuing with the things, then there are like 2 sachets of seeds. I've opened one. I don't know, there's no kind of inclination to what seed they are. They said to put a bit of soil, salt, and in a broken cup or mug and sprinkle this. They're like 2, I don't know whether you can see it. You can see the small seeds here, just 2 or 3, not much. So I'm very eager to know what kind of plants grow out of it. And for another thing that was there was this beautiful soya candle. It smells really good and it's so cute. I'm like, I don't want to kind of burn it and destroy it. Okay, what else? And then they have this very nice initiative of like you can go and sign up with them and be a secret Santa with another of their regular follower. I think you have to do it in Instagram. You send them a book and you will get a book the same rupees yourself. Where is that paper? Yeah, this was the info card. I love this one. It says, we are doing a secret Santa for Christmas. You have to leave a message for whoever your book goes to and pay the amount for a book. return, you will receive a book from someone who paid the same amount and message from them. Of course, it is mandatory to be a part. You can join if you would like to. This is a tradition we are going to hold on to for all the years to come. Log into the website for more details. I think I am going to try this one. It sounds really good. And of course, there are some coupon codes like 250 off for the 6-month one, and 500 off. 250 off for the quarterly plan, and half yearly plan have a 500 rupees off. Plus this is another good thing that it tells you more about the box and what kind of box you should order depending on what kind of a reader you are. And this is another cute thing. I will be doing it after I shoot this video and I take a picture of the products here. And this like I have to use a hashtag they have given, and I can find the person with the same hashtag and I can connect with them on Instagram. I always want to connect with more book lovers like me, because we are a very dwindling kind in nowadays. So very interested to see this, and to keep an eye out for my Instagram posts. So that was all in my big book box for October-November. I really loved it, especially for the Funko Pop and that beautiful notebook from Ruskin Bond, and of course the handwritten note from Ruskin. Not okay, as my husband, it's not handwritten, but okay, photocopy of a handwritten note from Ruskin Bond. It has his phone number. What do you need? Anyway, that's all for this video. See you soon. Bye.